Three clouds now sell the same promise: disaggregated, cloud-native PostgreSQL, Amazon Aurora, Google AlloyDB, and Microsoft's new Azure HorizonDB. They rhyme on architecture. The real gap is what happens above the database. This is for architects choosing a managed Postgres today. One number to anchor you: Aurora ships in over 30 regions. HorizonDB is still in preview. We cover three things: shared foundations, where HorizonDB differs, and who actually wins. One of these hides a gotcha that changes your decision. Start with what all three actually share. Each separates compute from storage. Writes land in a distributed storage layer, not local disk. That gives you readable replicas that scale reads horizontally. It gives fast failover across availability zones, often seconds not minutes. And all three keep PostgreSQL wire and SQL compatibility. Your drivers, extensions, and queries mostly just work. Set expectations honestly. This is a maturing category. Aurora and AlloyDB have years and regional breadth that HorizonDB does not yet match. HorizonDB leans on a database as a log design under the hood. The interesting part sits above the engine. Its disknn vector index does advanced filtering. Metadata predicates get pushed into the graph walk itself. That means one pass, not filter then search or overfetching. It integrates natively with Azure AI Foundry and generates embeddings inside the database. You can mirror tables to Microsoft Fabric OneLake for analytics without a pipeline. And the tooling targets versus code and the Postgres extension directly. This is the above the database gap I promised. Do not read that as HorizonDB winning everything. It is in preview. Aurora's advantage is maturity and ecosystem. Global database gives cross-region replication with low replication lag. The tooling, community, and integration breadth are deep. AlloyDB brings a real columnar engine for analytics inside Postgres. It runs transactional and analytical workloads together with strong scan speeds. It has its own vector and AI investments too. Both are battle-tested at scale. HorizonDB has to earn that track record over the next few years. Here is the honest scorecard on the axes that matter. Architecture is a near T, all three disaggregate compute and storage. On vector and AI, HorizonDB's filtered disknn and Foundry ties are distinctive. For analytics, AlloyDB's columnar engine leads. HorizonDB mirrors to Fabric. Aurora leans on external tools. Ecosystem gravity follows your cloud. On maturity, Aurora and AlloyDB win clearly today. Remember, HorizonDB specifics are preview. Verify limits and pricing in each vendor's current docs before you commit. Here is the rule I actually use. Do not choose on synthetic benchmarks. Choose by gravity. Which cloud already holds your data, your identity, and your AI stack? That answer usually decides it. Latency to your services and one bill matter more than a percentage on a query. Cross-cloud database access adds egress cost and operational pain. So follow the mass. Your existing platform is the strongest signal you have. Concretely, on AWS already, Aurora, full stop. On Google Cloud with heavy analytics needs, AlloyDB and its columnar engine. On Azure, and you want AI native Postgres, HorizonDB puts vector search, Foundry, and Fabric in one place. That consolidation is its real pitch. Just weigh preview risk. Match the platform you run, and the database choice mostly makes itself. The architectures converge, the ecosystems decide. All three disaggregate compute and storage well. HorizonDB's edge is AI native Postgres tied to Foundry and Fabric, but it is preview. Aurora and AlloyDB win on maturity and proven scale today. Pick the one whose cloud already carries your gravity. Prices and preview features shift fast, so confirm the current docs before you build. If this sharpened your decision, subscribe for more Azure architecture breakdowns. If this helped, do me a favor, Hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.